NVIDIA now has given us a hardware where you can download the model and see the data that has gone into training that model, and that's something that no other company offers you. And also in terms of security, now the data sits in your own sort of ecosystem, and it really just reduces the barrier to entry for a lot of startups.
There are many things we always know about closed source APIs using different LLMs, but especially when I have to download the LLM in my local and do them, I actually had a lot of insights gained from this session, which I haven't heard before.
I've never tried any model more than 35 billion parameters. So I'm gonna load a Qwen 35 billion parameter on the Spark cluster and get a feel of how running big models feels like.